Okay, if I know better, should be some handgun ammo right here. It is, right beside me. Yeah, wait right there, you dumb broad. Step back. Shoot truck. Not a very smart driver. Matter of fact, I don't even blame the driver. I just blame the idiot in his way.
Follow me.
Just follow, dumb idiot. Thank you. Back up. Don't want them coming up on me. Gotta get this broad to a safe place. Don't want her dying on me. Do 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 do.
Wait.
Okay, stay right there. Go down a little bit. Turn around. Turn back around, and magically there they are. I like this Punisher. Wow, to drop 2 at a time. Man, I can't wait to get this motherfucker fully upgraded. I can hold the 5 motherfuckers. Stay where you are. Oh. Ah, shit. Damn, 2? You know what? Forget this. Flashbang. Bye-bye. Got time to waste ammo on y'all and time, so I'm going to just throw that. Ah, that one didn't have anything on him. Ooh, thanks for the flashbang. No nest. Nope.
Follow me.
Okay, what is that? Velvy something? I think you can get those now instead of spindle. No, we're not gonna say it because we're getting our sniper rifle now. You better have it. Okay, see any goodies? Okay, no goodies. Should have gave me like 10 of those. Would have been better. They still giving spinning? I thought they only give those velvety blue things or whatever they called. Seriously, man, that merchant has really got to be stupid not to know that there's stuff around him. But then again, I'm not complaining. There's more money for me.
Welcome.
You know what I'm selling and you know what I'm gonna buy.
What are you buying? Is that Thank you.
Okay, I think that's nah. That's not the last case. The next one is I don't even know when the next one is. Damn, gotta rearrange.
What are you buying?
Okay.
What are you selling?
Yeah, sell the shit.
Thank you. Is that all? Is that all? Thank you.
Rearrange so I can make room for my sniper rifle.
Come back any time.
Okay, I think I made enough room. We're gonna see.
What are you buying? Is that...
Yeah, I'm gonna move it to the corner.
Thank you. What are you buying? Is that all?
Yeah, I'm upgrading my shotgun so I get the other one.
Thank you.
Don't even bother buying that one.
Is that all? Is that all? Thank you.
Okay, that's all. I'm going. Let's see. Let's rearrange some more. Yeah, I'm gonna just combine these three. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more up ahead, so I'm all gonna combine them now. Dang it, not that one. This one. Okay, I guess that's good. Good enough. Alright, I'm gonna say we'll roam the castle later.